Yes, it is permissible to use the same wire to support both the existing 2x4 drop-in fixtures and to strap the existing cable within the plenum. The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 300.22, outlines the requirements for securing cables and raceways in plenum spaces. This section mandates that cables and raceways must be securely supported at intervals not exceeding 6 feet or 1.8 meters. Additionally, they must be installed in a manner that prevents them from contacting the ceiling or walls of the plenum. The wire that is being utilized to support the fixtures can indeed be repurposed to strap the cable within the plenum, provided it adheres to the stipulations outlined in Section 300.22. This necessitates that the wire possess the capacity to bear the weight of the cable and be installed in a manner that ensures the cable does not come into contact with the ceiling or walls of the plenum. There are a couple of different approaches to utilizing the wire for strapping the cable. Firstly, one method involves running the wire perpendicular to the cable and securing it to the ceiling or walls of the plenum utilizing appropriate fasteners. The cable can then be affixed to the wire by employing cable ties or other approved methods. Secondly, another approach involves running the wire parallel to the cable and securing it to the ceiling or walls of the plenum using suitable fasteners. Subsequently, the cable can be strapped to the wire utilizing cable ties or alternative approved methods. Regardless of the chosen method, it is imperative to ensure that the wire is installed securely and that the cable is prevented from making contact with the ceiling or walls of the plenum. In summary, the key aspects of Section 300.22 that must be considered are: firstly, the support intervals for cables and raceways cannot exceed 6 feet or 1.8 meters. Secondly, cables and raceways must be supported in such a way that they do not touch the ceiling or walls of the plenum. Thirdly, the wire used for support must be capable of handling the weight of the supported items, whether they are fixtures or cables. Fourthly, appropriate fasteners must be used to secure the wire to the plenum structure. And fifthly, approved methods like cable ties must be used to attach the cables to the support wire. By adhering to these guidelines, the installation will comply with the National Electrical Code and ensure a safe and reliable electrical system within the plenum.